Next concept is derivatives of implicit functions. Derivatives of implicit functions. So before going to derivative of implicit functions, we'll see the implicit function. What is the implicit function? Example I am taking here, y is equal to sine x. Find out the dy by dx, they'll ask. How will find dy by dx is equal to cos x. Cos x. Next, one more example I am taking. Like this, they given question. Find out the dy by dx means what will make y is equal to minus sin x. Then we can apply the derivation dy by dx you will get. This is a explicit function. Why? Because y is one side, x is total one side if you are making. That type functions is called explicit function. Implicit function means y plus x square plus sin y is equal to 0. Find out the dy by dx. You see here, y total one side we can't take, just y I need. Y only single letter y one side we need. How we'll make this? It is can't possible to separate the y. So derivative with respect to x. Direct if we are making derivation, dy by dx. This type functions is called implicit functions. If you are separate making, that is the explicit functions. The difference is y alone y if we are making separate, that is the explicit functions. If we can't make the separation of y alone, so that type functions is called implicit functions. These types of derivations we have to solve now. Examples is there. Example 21, sorry, example 24. Example 24. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx if x minus y is equal to pi. X minus y is equal to pi. So now you see given function x minus y is equal to pi. We can change the y separate here. Y is equal to, if we are changing that side and this value interchange, x minus pi you will get. Y is equal to x minus pi, derivation with respect to x. Derivation with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x minus pi. D by dx of minus is there. So x by dx, d by dx of pi. D by dx of x is 1. Why? Because both cancel here. Minus pi is 180 degrees. 180 is the constant. So 0 will get. Therefore, dy by dx value is 1. This is a explicit function. We can make the separation. Next, one more example. Example 25. Example 25. Find the dy by dx if find dy by dx if y plus sin y is equal to y plus sin y is equal to cos x. Cos x. This is the implicit function. Implicit function means y alone we can't take separate. So that's why solution, first of all, given function y plus sin y is equal to cos x. Y plus sin y is equal to cos x. Derivation with respect to x. Derivation with respect to x. dy by dx plus d by dx of sin y is equal to d by dx of cos x. Apply the derivation for total function. dy by dx as it is. Sin x derivation is cos x, but here what is there? Y is there, y is out, right? In place of x, y is there, so derivation for y, d by dx of y is dy by dx is equal to cos x derivation is minus sin x, cos x derivation is minus sin x. Now dy by dx is there, take common, dy by dx if we are taking common, 1 plus cos y is equal to minus sin x, minus sin x. dy by dx is equal to, dy by dx is equal to minus sin x divided by 1 plus cos y. dy by dx is equal to 1 plus cos y. So this is the answer. This is the implicit function. Implicit function means we can't separate the y value, but derivation apply, dy by dx take the common, then answer will get. Okay, pass. Next concept is derivative of inverse trigonometric functions. We have the chapter, second chapter, inverse trigonometry. We know d by dx of sin x, trigonometric function. Sin x is cos x is minus sin x, tan x. Every trigonometric ratio, we can get the derivative. But inverse is there. Inverse trigonometry, we learned this chapter second. So, derivative of inverse trigonometric functions, derivatives of inverse trigonometric functions. There are examples is there, that formulas will get derivation of sin inverse x, derivation of cos inverse x, derivation of tan inverse x, that you will get like formula, derivation of sin x is cos x. So, proof also there, proof they given as the examples here. You can see, find the derivative of f of x is equal to sin inverse x, assume it exists. It is exist sin inverse derivation. So find out the derivation. Solution is, let, first I am taking as a function y, sin inverse x. This implies, if we are sent this side, x is equal to sin y, you will get x is equal to sin y. X is equal to sin y. Derivation with respect to x for this one. What you will get? D by dx of x is equal to d by dx of sin y. D by dx of x is equal to d by dx of sin y. Derivation of x is 1 is equal to cos y. Sin y derivation is cos y into dy by dx. Why? Because x plus y is there. That implies dy by dx is equal to, dy by dx is equal to 1 by cos y. 1 by cos y. We have trigonometric identity, cos square x plus sin square x is equal to 1. Cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x. Cos x is equal to how much will get? Cos x is equal to square root of 1 minus sin square x. Now, dy by dx is equal to 1 by cos y. Cos x is nothing but root 1 minus sin square x. Here, root 1 minus sin square y. We can write this as dy by dx is equal to 1 by square root of 1 minus sin y whole square, sin y whole square, sin square y, sin y whole square, both same only. Next, continuation, dy by dx is equal to 1 by square root of 1 minus sin y. Y value is sine inverse x, sine inverse x whole square is the whole square we have to write. Y value just substitute sine inverse x. Sine inverse sine get cancelled, 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. Dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. That is nothing but d by dx of sine inverse x is formula 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. Next, problem number 27. Find the derivative of f of x is equal to tan inverse x. Assume it exists. Solution is, let y is equal to tan inverse x. Y is equal to tan inverse x implies, send this side, tan y is equal to x. Tan y is equal to x. Derivation with respect to x. Tan y derivation is d by dx of tan y is equal to d by dx of x. Tan y derivation is secant square y into x plus y is there, dy by dx is equal to 1 implies dy by dx is equal to 1 by secant square y, 1 by secant square y. Trigonometric identity is that secant square x minus tan square x is equal to 1. Secant square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x, 1 plus tan square x. So we can write here 1 plus tan square y. That is nothing but 1 plus tan y whole square, 1 plus tan y whole square. Dy by dx is equal to 1 by 1 plus tan y. What is the y value? Y value is tan inverse x whole square. Both cancel is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. This is a tan inverse x derivation. So I'll write the total formulas. Remaining also same procedure. So d by dx of sine inverse x is equal to 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. Dy dx of cos inverse x is equal to minus 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. D by dx of tan inverse x is equal to, just we find that 1 by 1 plus x square. D by dx of cot inverse x is equal to minus 1 by 1 plus x square. You can observe the difference between these two is negative. Difference between is minus, negative only change. D by dx of secant inverse x is equal to 1 by x square root of 1 minus x square. D by dx of x square root of x square minus 1. This is the secant inverse x. Next, d by dx of cosecant inverse x is equal to minus 1 by x square root of x square minus 1. So, these are the inverse trigonometric functions formulas. Total 6 inverse trigonometric ratios is the 6 formulas. Next, this is the exercise 5.3. Find dy by dx. Question is 2x plus 3y is equal to sin x. Implicit and explicit function type this is. So direct, no need to do anything. Solution is derivation with respect to x. So first you write given 2x plus 3y is equal to sin x. Derivation with respect to x. Derivation with respect to x. So 2 is a constant, into is there, 2 write as it is. Derivation of x is 1 plus 3 into y derivation is dy by dx. Y derivation is dy by dx. Sin x derivation is cos x. Sin x derivation is cos x. Now I need just dy by dx value. So that's why extra 2 is there. So 3 into dy by dx is equal to cos x minus 2. You can write left side, right side if you are sending minus, it will become dy by dx is equal to cos x minus 2 divided by 3. This is the dy by dx value. Next, problem number 2. Problem number 2 is 2x plus 3y is equal to sin y. This is the implicit function. So, direct, first of all, given 2x plus 3y is equal to sin y. So, first of all, given function you write. Next, derivation with respect to x. 2 into x, 2 is a constant, into x derivation is 1 plus 3 into y derivation is dy by dx is equal to sin y derivation is cos y. Sin y derivation is cos y, but x plus y is there, so make the derivation for that dy by dx. Next, dy by dx values total one side and remaining values one side we have to take here. 3 into dy by dx minus cos y dy by dx minus cos y dy by dx is equal to minus 2. Now dy by dx take common. We are taking dy by dx take common. Minus 3 minus cos y is equal to minus 2. Dy by dx is equal to minus 2 by 3 minus cos y. 3 minus cos y. Dy by dx value is, we can write this as a 2 positive, that negative multiply cos y minus 3. Just change the negative sign. This is the dy by dx value. Next one, problem number 3. Problem number 3 is ax plus by square plus is equal to cos y. Solution is given ax plus by square is equal to cos y. So derivation with respect to x, a into x derivation is 1 plus b into y square derivation. X square derivation is 2x, y square derivation is 2y, but x plus y is there, other letter is there, so dy by dx, that letter derivation you have to make, is equal to cos y derivation is minus sin y. Y is there, so dy by dx. Y is there, dy by dx. Dy by dx terms total one side, remaining values one side you have to take. 2by I am writing dy by dx plus sin y dy by dx. This negative is there, if you are sent this side it will become positive, and this a is there extra, that side you send, right side if you are sending minus a you will get. Now dy by dx you can take the common. Dy by dx if you are taking common, remaining values will be 2by plus sin y is equal to minus a. You will get. Now I need dy by dx value. Dy by dx is equal to minus a by 2by plus sin y. These are the implicit functions. Very easy, just derivation you have to apply. Next, problem number 4. Xy plus y square is equal to tan x plus y. Find the dy by dx. Just apply the derivation with respect to x, implicit function this is. So d by dx of xy, separate I am writing, d by dx of 2y is equal to d by dx of tan x plus d by dx of y, that is nothing but dy by dx. Also we can write that implies this is uv formula. Uv formula what? What is the uv formula? Uv dash is equal to uv dash plus v u dash, that is nothing but derivation. U is x, dash means d by dx of y plus y into d by dx of x plus here y square. This is y square derivation is 2y, x plus y is there, so dy by dx is equal to tan x derivation is secant square x, x plus x is there, no need to do anything, plus dy by dx. Now x dy by dx plus y into 1, x derivation is 1 plus 2 into y dy by dx is equal to secant square x plus dy by dx. So now dy by dx terms total one side, x dy by dx plus 2y dy by dx minus dy by dx is equal to secant square x minus y. Secant square x minus y. Now take the common dy by dx into dy by dx of x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to secant square x minus y. Now dy by dx value is secant square x minus y divided by x plus 2y minus 1, x plus 2y minus 1. Next, problem number 5. X square plus xy plus y square is equal to 100 is equal to 100. Now derivation you have to make. Find the dy by dx. Derivation with respect to x. D by dx of x square plus d by dx of xy plus d by dx of y square is equal to d by dx of 100. Now d by dx of x square is 2x plus, this is uv formula again, uv just we did here, uv formula, x into dy by dx plus y into d by dx of x, d by dx of x plus this derivation is 2y and dy by dx is equal to dy by dx into derivation of 100, constant derivation is 0. Now dy by dx, first you make the simplification more, dy by dx plus y, this will be plus 2y dy by dx is equal to 0. In these two, dy by dx take common, dy by dx into x plus 2y is equal to these two extra values. So send right side, minus 2x minus y. Dy by dx is equal to minus 2x minus y divided by x plus 2y. This is a dy by dx value. Next, problem number 6. X cube plus x square y plus x cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube is equal to 81. Find the dy by dx. How to find the dy by dx here? Just derivation you apply. Derivation with respect to x. D by dx of x cube plus d by dx of x square y plus d by dx of xy square plus d by dx of y cube is equal to d by dx of 81. So now x cube derivation, x power n formula, n into x power n minus 1, n into x power 3 minus 1 is 2 plus uv formula apply, x square dy by dx plus y into d by dx of x square plus again here uv formula x into d by dx of y square plus y square d by dx of x plus y cube derivation. Y cube derivation is 3y square. X plus y is there. So you have to take a dy by dx again is equal to 0. Constant derivation is 0. Now 3x square plus x square dy by dx plus y into 2x. X square derivation is 2x plus x into 2y. Derivation of y square is 2y into dy by dx. X plus y is there. So dy by dx plus y square plus 3y square dy by dx is equal to 0. Here dy by dx, dy by dx, dy by dx. Take common. If you are taking common, x square plus 2xy plus 3y square, 3y square. Next, minus 3x square minus 2xy minus 2xy minus y square. Total sending right side other than the dy by dx values implies dy by dx is equal to minus 3x square minus 2xy minus y square divided by x square plus 2xy plus 3y square. This is the dy. Problem number 7. Find the dy by dx value. Solution is derivation with respect to x first. D by dx of sin square y plus d by dx of cos xy is equal to d by dx of k. D by dx of k. Sin square y derivation, x square derivation, 2 into x power n minus 1 is 2x, but x place, this is a chain rule, x place cos y is there, so apply the derivation y for sin y plus cos derivation, cos xy derivation is minus sin xy, but x place xy is there, so d by dx of xy is equal to constant derivation is 0 implies 2 sin y. Sin y derivation is cos y, but x place y is there. So dy by dx we have to write minus plus into minus minus sin xy, sin xy. uv formula apply, x into dy by dx plus y into d by dx of x is 1 actually. So one step you write, no problem. Next, 2 into 2 into sin y cos y. 2 sin y cos y formula is the sin 2y, sin 2x formula. So writing sin 2y dy by dx minus this multiply inside x into sin xy dy by dx minus into plus minus y into sin xy, derivation of x is 1 is equal to 0. dy by dx take common. Sin 2y minus x sin xy is equal to, send right side, y sin xy, y sin xy, dy by dx is equal to y sin xy divided by sin 2y minus x sin xy will be x sin xy. Problem number 8, sin square x plus cos square y is equal to 1. Derivation with respect to x. D by dx of sin square x plus d by dx of cos square y d by dx of 1. So now derivation of sin square x square derivation 2x, but here sin x is a sin x. So again apply the derivation for sin x, sin rule this is. Why? Because x plus another is there, you have to make the derivation. D by dx of cos square y, 2 cos y, 2 cos y, d by dx of cos y is equal to 0. Now 2 sin x, d by dx of sin x is cos x plus 2 cos y, d by dx of cos y is minus sin y. X plus y is there, so dy by dx is equal to 0. Sin x, 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x minus sin 2y. Why? Because formula 2 sin y cos y dy by dx is equal to 0. Now sin 2x is equal to sin 2y dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to sin 2x divided by sin 2y. Sin 2x divided by sin 2y. Pause the. Next problem number 9, sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. We have sin inverse x formula 1 by 1 by square root of 1 minus x square derivation. Here also derivation you have to find, but x plus very lengthy value is there. So that purpose we have to use one technique. We have to use the trigonometric basics, trigonometric basic identities to simplify this problem. First I will take here solution given, let y is equal to sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square, 2x by 1 plus x square. We have the formula 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta is sin 2 theta. So that's why put x is equal to tan theta, x is equal to tan theta, y is equal to tan inverse of 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sin inverse of this formula 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta is sin 2 theta, sin 2 theta. Sin inverse sin get cancelled, 2 theta. What is the theta value? Theta value is, we are sent that side, tan inverse x, tan inverse x. So now we can write y is equal to 2 tan inverse x. Now apply the derivation with respect to 2x. dy by dx, dy by dx is equal to 2 into d by dx of tan inverse x, d by dx of tan inverse x. Formula is 1 by 1 plus x square. Answer is 2 by 1 plus x square. This is the dy by dx is equal to. Simple. First you have to take the x is equal to tan theta and simplify. This formulas is very important for this problem, and this problem is also important for 3 marks questions. Next, problem number 10. Problem number 10. Y is equal to tan inverse of 3x minus x cube by 1 minus x square, 1 minus x square, 1 minus 3x square. So this is also formula. Just put here also y they given. So given you have to write it. Put x is equal to tan theta. X is equal to tan theta implies y is equal to tan inverse of 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta, that is equal to tan inverse of the formula of tan 3 theta. Tan 3 theta is 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So tan 3 theta. 3 theta is a y value. What is the theta value? Theta value is tan inverse x. Theta value is tan inverse x. 3 is equal to tan inverse x. Now apply the derivation with respect to x. Implies dy by dx is equal to 3 into d by dx of tan inverse x. Tan inverse x derivation is 1 by 1 plus x square. Now multiply 3 into 1 is 3 by 1 plus x square. This is the dy by dx value. Next, problem number 11. Problem number 11 is y is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. So now you can see here 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta is equal to cos 2 theta formula is there. So put x is equal to tan theta implies y is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. This is a formula of cos 2 theta, trigonometric identities, cos 2 theta in terms of tan, that is. So y is equal to 2 theta, you will get 2 theta. What is the theta value? Theta value is tan inverse x. Y is equal to 2 tan inverse x. Derivation, now you have to apply derivation with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to 2 into d by dx of tan inverse x. Tan inverse x derivation is 1 by 1 plus x square. So answer is 2 by 1 plus x square. Pause the video to problem number 12. y is equal to sine inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Same method, put x is equal to tan theta. Now only I am writing here theta is equal to tan inverse x. Now y is equal to sine inverse of 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta 1 plus tan square theta. Sine inverse of this value 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta is cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta. Sine inverse sine is there cancel, but sine inverse cos is there, it won't cancel. So that purpose only we are changing sine of 90 minus 2 theta. Cos convert into sine. Sine of 90 minus theta is cos theta. So 2 theta is there, 2 theta will be. Now both cancel. Pi by 2 minus 2 theta. This is the y value. Derivation with respect to 2. One more here. Pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Theta value is tan inverse x. Then you apply the derivation with respect to x. D by dx of y is dy by dx is equal to d by dx of pi by 2 minus d by dx of 2 is constant right outside tan inverse x. Pi by 2, 90 derivation is 0 minus 2 into 1 by 1 plus x square. Answer is minus 2 by 1 plus x square. Minus 2 by 1 plus x square. What is the change here? This cos 2 theta is there. Convert into sine. Sine 90 minus theta is cos theta, positive, first quadrant. That. So next simplification, same previous problems only. Next problem number 13. Y is equal to cos of 2x by 1 plus x square. 2x by 1 plus x square. Now same. Put x is equal to tan theta. Implies theta is equal to tan inverse x. Theta is equal to tan inverse x. Implies y is equal to cos of 2 tan theta. 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Y is equal to cos of 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta is sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta. So, but sorry, this is the cos inverse total. Cos inverse sin it won't cancel. Cos inverse sin won't cancel is equal to cos inverse of previous also sin inverse cos is there, sin conversion rate. Cos inverse sin is there, cos conversion rate. Cos of 90 minus 2 theta. Cos of 90 minus 2 theta. Y is equal to pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Pi by 2 minus 2 theta value is tan inverse x. Derivation with respect to x. Derivation with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to 2 into d by dx of tan inverse x. Sorry, pi by 2. First pi by 2 is there. So d by dx of pi by 2 minus 2 into d by dx of tan inverse x. This value is 0. This value is 1 by 1 plus x square minus 2 by 1 plus x square minus 2 by 1 plus x square is the answer. Problem number 14. Y is equal to sine inverse of 2x square root of 1 minus x square. you can see this is a formula is there, direct formula also you can substitute. Sine inverse of formula is there this. Otherwise simplify. Just put x is equal to sine theta. That implies y is equal to sine inverse of 2 sine theta square root of 1 minus sine square theta square root of 1 minus sine square theta. Y is equal to sine inverse of 2 sine theta square root of 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta. Square root get cancelled. Sine inverse of 2 sine theta cos theta. 2 sine theta cos theta is sine 2 theta. These two cancel. Y is equal to 2 theta. Y is equal to 2 theta. Here theta value is sine inverse x. Sine inverse x. Now apply the derivation. Derivation with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to 2 into d by dx of sine inverse x. d by dx of sine inverse x is 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. 2 by square root of 1 minus x square. This is the this is the 2 by square root of 1 minus x square you will get. Next, problem number 15. Problem number 15. Y is equal to secant inverse of 1 by 2x square minus 1. Find the derivation. Find the derivation of this problem. For that purpose, I will make some changes first. We have formula 2 cos square theta minus 1. 2 cos square theta minus 1 is cos 2 theta. 2 cos square theta minus 1 is cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta in terms of cos. So that's why I'll write here. Put x is equal to cos theta. Secant inverse of 1 by 2 cos square theta minus 1. 2 cos square theta minus 1. Y is equal to secant inverse of 1 by formula is that cos 2 theta. Secant inverse of 1 by cos 2 theta. 1 by cos 2 theta is secant 2 theta. Secant inverse cancel. Y is equal to 2 theta. Theta value is how much here? Cos inverse x is equal to theta. Cos inverse x. Derivation with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to 2 into d by dx of cos inverse x, that is equal to 2 into 1 by square root of minus 1 by square root of 1 minus x square minus 2 by square root of 1 minus x square is the derivation of secant inverse of 1 by 2x square minus 1. This is the answer. Pause the video to note it down.